good guy. My name is Giovanni Garcia. Activity time machine. If it was written to 1980 in a machine of the time, it was like to make a road. If it approaches to the future in a machine of the time, I am going to know about robots. If we create a time machine, we will travel to the workshop of Italia 90. If we were in 1940, we would be the Second World War. If we return to my adolescence, I am time machine, we will study medicine. If I live in Brazil in 2040 World CP History of Colombia in the Estadio Maracanã. If we travel to the future in a machine of the time, I am going to stand to my family. If we go back to the past in the time machine, we want to take care of the planet. If they were returning in 1980 in a machine of the time, we would like to meet to me grandparents. If we had a time machine, we would travel to the time to see in